everyone! If you've been into Vocaloid sometime around 2012, for sure you would have known the song series Kagero Project. It also got adapted into an anime in 2014 as Mekakushi Actors. Today, we'll have a cosplay makeup tutorial for my favorite character in the series, Kido Tsubomi. You can say she's also one of my favorite characters to cosplay. I've cosplayed Kido a lot of times already, and even hosted a Pass the Blindfold challenge as her. So today I would like to share how I usually do my makeup for Kido. Let's get to it!
Let's start with the base. I use L'Oreal True Match Liquid Foundation in G3 Gold Vanilla and L'Oreal True Match Liquid Concealer in 3N Creamy Beige. Blend them well onto your face and neck for an even color. For Kido, I only conceal my brows with the same concealer because green is a dark color. It won't be too obvious if my natural dark brows would show. A more effective way to conceal brows is by using a glue stick before the concealer. I just haven't mastered that yet. Once you're satisfied, blend with a beauty blender or concealer brush. You're free to add more concealer as needed, and then blend again. I then used L'Oreal True Match Powder Foundation in G2 Gold Ivory to set the base. Foundation and pressed powder also works as an eyeshadow primer if you don't have one. Make sure to set your concealed brows too. Don't forget to reach the sides of your nose to prevent caking. Since we put foundation on our neck, remember to set it as well. For the eyebrows, I use Nichido Color Intense Eye Pencil number 5, Vivid Turquoise. Now, for character-specific steps. Draw your brows in a straight line and keep it thin. Use a spoolie to keep it in shape. For eyeshadow, I used CoverGirl True Naked Golden's 8 eyeshadow palettes white and darkest brown shades. Use the white shadow on your lid only. I do both eyes at once so that there won't be any other color mixed in. Kido's eyes droop a bit, so to achieve that, apply the dark brown shadow on the sides of your crease and lid. Blend it well for a more natural finish. It's important to keep a reference nearby when you're doing cosplay makeup, especially if you're working on distinct features like the eyes. For eyeliner, I used Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black Eyeliner. Start from the inside using only the sides of your liner. Don't worry about the gaps you make just yet. For Kido's eyes, keep the wing straight instead of upwards. Keep it at the same length of your brows. When working on the wing, use the tip of the liner and keep your eyes open. Closing them would change the shape of your wing. Once satisfied, start connecting. As you can see, the line is curved because it follows the shape of your eye. So just connect and fill in until you make a straight line. Lastly, fill in the gaps. Remember that it should be thin from the inside and becoming thick as you go outwards. I also used Maybelline Eye and Lip Makeup Remover to erase my inevitable mistakes. Use a Q-tip and then conceal again. Don't worry about messing up. Lining your eyes is still difficult even if you're already doing it for a long time. For a contour, I used Detail 4-in-1 Contour and Blush Palette's darker shade of contour powder. Apply it on the hollows of your cheekbones. One way to find out where it is to suck in your cheekbones, and then blend towards the center of your cheekbones only. Kido is described with having an androgynous face, so it's important to keep the jawline sharp. Just apply directly on the jawline and blend. Apply under your chin too. For the lips, I used Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink No. 70 Amazonian, or you may use a nude color too. Again, we're aiming for an androgynous look. The trick to applying liquid lipstick is to start from the middle and then spread out using the side of your wand. Only use the tip of the wand to color the sides of your lips. Finally, I used Elana's Stay Fresh setting spray to set my makeup. Just keep it at a short distance away and then spray. Skipped contouring my nose because it's already sharp, and my forehead because the wig would cover it. No mascara to keep from brightening up the eyes, and no blush because I'm careful to keep the look androgynous. And we're done! Blindfold complete. I hope this could somehow help you in your cosplay makeup. Stay tuned for more tutorials in the future. Please also follow me on social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.